Today on Mom to Mom, we are making a DIY bird feeder. With it being colder outside, it's really hard to find activities to do outside with the kids. This one is really fun to do inside, then take it outside. So it is a winter DIY bird feeder. And basically, all you're gonna need is some ice cream cones, some bird seeds, and some peanut butter, and of course, some string so you can hang it up outside. Now the fun part begins. So you can grab the kids, put some bird seed in the plate, and maybe set up different stations so they can do it differently. But what they're gonna need help on the most is actually sticking the hole in top of the ice cream cone so you can put the string through. So what I'll do is I'll do that first, and then I will let them assemble it. Once your string is through the holes and tied together, now you can put on the peanut butter. So what the kids will do is they'll take a knife and dip it in peanut butter and wrap it around the wide part of the cone. Now once they have it all the way around evenly, then they can take it and roll it in the bird seed. Now once they have it good and coated, now you can actually take it outside and hang it up and watch the birds come and eat this delicious food. And it's just a fun activity that your kids really enjoy, and it gets them doing something inside and outside at the same time. If you do try this, we'd love to see those pictures. You can post it to our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.